Ha ha ha. I'll give you one guess where I'm at. Yes, that's right. I'm at Motha's house. And yeah, I've been here for almost 2 weeks and I'm getting ready to go, but there's one other thing I need to do. And what is it? I thought I would have enough time today to do it. Let's just see. Get out here in the shade. It has to do with something over here. And we had a plant here. You see this nice plant here? My brother and his wife brought it over from Motha, and they were hanging it. There's a shepherd's rod over there in the sun that they were hanging this on, and it's getting too hot for it. It's supposed to dangle down, but you can see it's already getting kind of shriveled up. And I was hoping that these new ones would still come out. I got to leave it over here, and I've been watering it and stuff just with the little bucket every morning. And I thought I can't leave that like that for Motha. So what to do about it? Well, I was thinking I can take that, set it up there. I think I'm going to set it up there. If you can see over here, there's some drip irrigation. Let's see, there's the end. There's the end of the drip irrigation. And there's a pipe that goes off it, and that's watering something else. Well, I want to tap into that with a drip irrigation pipe, just a little one. And I'll show you how to do that here in a minute. Okay, and see this. See this pipe, see this little pipe here? It's watering this plant here. And I put that in quite a few years ago. Okay? And I made it come up to this. Well, it comes right off of that. Okay? And I'm gonna get my tools, and I'll be back and I'll show you how to do that. It's not really gonna take me that long. And I thought I might as well do that for Motha. If that's what you want to watch, stick around. You know, I'm just doing this on the fly. I'm gonna be leaving tomorrow, and I thought, see, I could probably just leave that right there. Maybe I could just set that like that. Okay. Bring that out here a little bit. And how about that? That's going to be right there. She can still see it. We had it over at that other location because she could see it when she was eating breakfast. But here, she comes out and gets her mail out of the little mailbox every day. And did you know, for older people, she couldn't go and get it down by the street because it takes her too far to walk and stuff. And she signed up at the little town, and she signed up. She gave them a doctor's notice, and they said, okay, we'll have the mailman come directly up to your front door. And so I put this here, and he comes here, and isn't that nice? All she has to do is step out of here and get that. And I like what she does. She does this for the mailman every day. It's just a little magnet, and she'll put something here. This is a little fruit bar, and she'll pick different things, and she always has a treat for him. I thought that was kind of cool. Okay, so like I say, I'm gonna get my tools ready. We'll set that up there like that, and I'm just gonna leave that there. And funny thing is, I also had a drip irrigation for this ivy over here, and I ran the drip irrigation, boom, 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 all along, and tied it in over there. And we had it in a nice pot. Didn't that pot look nice? Okay. And funny thing is, there's no hole in it. No hole in it. Why on earth would they make a pot for plants and stuff and flowers without a hole in it? So every time, and I had it right here, and I put this in here, and I even put a half-gallon dripper on here. It hardly drips at all, and this thing fills up with water all the time. And so I took that out, and I was thinking maybe that's why this kind of died. Cause see, there's not much here, and I don't think it wasn't because it wasn't getting enough water. It was because it was getting too much water. Can you believe that? So I thought I could set that up there, balance that up there, put that onto there. I don't really want to do that because this fills up with water. This will be fine. Did that look nice there? Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get back in there and see what I can do about tapping into that. I have a feeling it's going to be easy. Well, this is all you're going to need. I got me some gloves, a little knee pad, my cutters, my electrical cutters, a putty knife. That's it. And went down to Lowe's and just got some different things long time ago. Okay, and oh, good grief! I hope I've got a little roll of the pipe. I thought I had it in there. It must be in the garage. I'll be right back. Make sure I got it. Well, that's a relief. I'm in luck. I have just this. This is 1/4-inch tubing. And last time I remember when I went to the store, I got a whole little container of 1/4-inch. This is 1/4-inch tubing. You see there? I don't know if you can see that. 1/4-inch tubing, and this is 100 feet, and you can buy 50 feet of this if you want, but I think I have enough with this piece right here. Okay, and it's always nice to get little pieces like that. And let's see, I try to keep all my stuff in here. And this is the most important tool I'm going to need, or else I wouldn't be able to do this job. See this? This pokes a little hole in that sprinkler pipe over there, and you can get that for the drip irrigation system. Usually it comes 5/8 of an inch thick. They also have 3/4 at the store and stuff like that. But this all that does is I make the hole with that. Okay. And then I've got my little drippers. I'll have to look. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put only half gallon in there. See, this is half gallon, half GPH, gallons per hour pressure compensating drippers. And let's see. Can't see this. See there? That's all it is. Right there, and you can get these little drippers at the end of a line. This is 2 gallons. This is 2 gallons, and I've also got some 1 gallon ones, and 2 gallon would be for a big huge bush or a tree, let's say. A gallon would be for smaller bushes, and here. This is the only other thing I'm going to need. It's just a coupling. That's it. See, so you get little connectors like this. I got couplings. I don't usually use the T's or the angles, the elbows, because generally you can bend that. But I did get elbows when I went around and I tied this in here. I got actual elbows. See down in there? That's an elbow to go tight. And then I did another elbow over there, one at the next corner. and stuff like that. But generally, if you're not doing anything like that, then this is so flexible you wouldn't need anything else. Okay. All right. So that's and I might look around for some zip ties. Let's see when I bring it up. See, when I brought this one up, I ran it up the side so you couldn't see it, and I had some black zip ties. I put one there and one down there. If I don't have any zip ties, I could just take the pipe and kind of loop it around this back rod, let's say, you know, on up to the back of that, and then just let it angle down. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, and I think for the sake of argument, for me to tap this in, I'm going to move the plant. Okay, I'm going to move that so that we got enough light in here for you, or so you can kind of see what I'm doing, right? She's got Canadian geese around here. And they fly overhead all the time. Okay. So let's just kind of see if this pipe's going to be long enough. Oh yeah, this is going to be plenty. I tap it in here and come up that way. Okay. All right. Let's get you resituated so you can see what I'm doing.